Welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to give you guys 8 things that you should put into your carry-on. You know, we're coming up to spring and summer now, so I know a lot of you guys are going to be going on holiday as well as myself. So I thought this would be a nice, convenient video to do for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get into the video. So the first thing obviously is your passport. You can't go anywhere without your passport. Obviously it's like the fundamental thing that you need for your carry-on to even go anywhere, to fly anywhere. So passport, obviously #1 thing that you need, absolutely essential. And also remember to pack it the day before. I know a lot of people still don't do that. Some people like to pack on the day. That's stressful, but some people like to pack on the day. I couldn't do that. That is way too much stress, and you're bound to forget something. And then just double check it the day that you're actually going on holiday. #2 is a change of clothes, and obviously underwear as well. So I usually didn't pack like another outfit, another change of clothes, until I went to New York for a bit. First of all, the holiday in general was it was so stressful. The plane was delayed. We were going there for about 3 nights, I think, or 4 nights. I think it was just a day that I didn't have clothes, or maybe it was 2. It was just like a whole thing. I had to like re-wash, like hand wash things. Luckily me and my sister are like about the same size, give and take, so like I could wear like some trousers of hers and all of that. But it's a whole thing. Like, it was just that was my first experience of not bringing a change of clothes, and I definitely recommend it. Your plane is delayed or it's missing your luggage, even if some people just like want to change clothes. Like, I know some people just like to freshen up and that type of thing. So if you can like have a shower or something, I know people like to do that. You might want to change your clothes as well. That's also another like reason why you might want to bring a change of clothes. But primarily it's for the delays and the suitcase not coming and had to go on another plane and all of that type of stuff. That's what it's mainly for. #3 are headphones. If you're like me, I love my music, right? And sometimes airplane headphones are just not great, you know, like they're not gonna be the best quality. Like, they might be good, but are they my Beats? No. They could just be really bad, or like they could be broken. Like, for me it's just safe to bring my own headphones, so I know that I have headphones. So I would recommend that as well. Bring your own headphones. Whatever the case is, I think just always have your own pair of headphones. #4 is water. It's important to stay hydrated, especially when you're up in the air, the blood going, and obviously just keep yourself hydrated and always have a bottle of water on you. #5 is a pen, paper, like little bits of stationery, essential stationery. I'm always someone that likes to always bring a pen with me. There could be forms that you need to fill out. There could be, I don't know, there just could be some type of paperwork that you didn't account for, and you need to use a pen. Even if it's to give to, you know, your little neighbor on the side, if they need a pen, you got your pen. You're like the superhero that had the pen. Do you know what I mean? So I think, yeah, I think a pen and paper is just good to have, and just like good practice. #6 is obviously chargers, phone chargers, any kind of game electronics that you have, like a Switch or something, anything like that. Just bring a charger. I don't use my phone on flights, because I'm definitely one of those people that, you know, I'm scared my phone's just gonna like interfere with communications, and you know, I just rather just not touch it and just let the airplane people have their communications and just let everything run smoothly. I just want to get to their destination. But people that do use their phones or need their laptops for like business things and all that, definitely chargers are the way to go. You want to make sure that everything is charged. #7 is snacks. If you are going like business and stuff, maybe you might not need like too many snacks. But obviously if you're going ecom or ecom premium, you might need some extra snacks with you whilst you're on the flight. But also if you have a long haul flight, you might need some extra snacks too. Again, it's just one of those things I would rather have than not have. I'd rather know I have snacks and I'm always like, you know, satisfied with some piece of food during the flight, rather than feeling very hungry on a flight. It's just, that would not be okay. make sure you're good for the flight. You know what, like, we're trying to make this the most pleasurable flight we can. Snacks help with that. Food in general, it helps with that. So yes, have your snacks. And number 8, the last thing is your travel document. The last thing obviously is anything else, so hotels, the flight information, tickets, all of that other stuff. Make sure that you have that, because like I said, you can't go anywhere without it. Pack it the day before, like I said as well, with your passport. Also try and have, I'm gonna show you like the carry-on bag that I currently have, but it's good to have one of those bags that have like an inside pouch. Mine does, and I'll show it in a second. So sometimes like the bags come, depending on what bags you get like the big main bag, and then there's like a little pouch inside as well. Obviously that would be an ideal situation, because it's all in its separate, it's separate from your main bag, but it's still in one bag. So getting something like that would be really useful. So this is the bag that I currently have as my carry-on. So this is from Guess. If you've seen like my Guess hauls, I'm pretty sure I've like shown this bag before on my channel. So it's very big. It's not like overly big, but it's definitely big enough to put like a good amount of stuff, especially like a change of clothes. Definitely big enough for that. So inside the bag is this. So this is what I was talking about, having like a little mini bag within your big bag. So this would be useful to put all of your important documents, passports, the stuff that you just cannot lose inside this pouch. Then it's in its own section, and then you can just put it in the same bag, so you know exactly where to look for it. It is a nice size as well. So I take out the stuffing, it's a very nice, there's a lot of space in here, so you can get a lot of important documents in there. And then obviously it just goes inside the same bag, so it's just, it's in, you know exactly where to find it, and then it's not searching through the bag, it's in its own little section. So that's the bag. If I can find it, I'll link it down in the description as well. So that's the end of the video. That is just 8 little things that you can put inside your carry-on. Obviously there's like more stuff that you can put in, but also don't like overdo it, because I know it's easy to kind of want to put everything in your carry-on, especially because that's what you're bringing on the airplane with you with. So I know it's easy to kind of like overflow your carry-on, but I think those are like essentials. The 8 things that I just gave you, I think those are like the essentials. Those are like important stuff to like have in your bag and everything. So I hope this video was useful. I hope it helps with your holiday planning, and I will see you guys in my next video.